Welcome, this is Dolakia and you're watching It's Tomorrow News. Tropical storm Hanna hit South Texas with high winds. A day after roaring ashore as a hurricane, Hanna lashed the Texas Gulf Coast on Sunday in US with high winds and drenching rains that destroyed boats, flooded streets and knocked out power across the region already reeling from the surge in coronavirus cases. Downgraded to a tropical depression, Hanna passed over a US-Mexico border with winds near 50 miles per hour, the National Hurricane Center said. It unloaded more than 12 inches of rain on parts of South Texas and northeastern Mexico. Hanna, the first hurricane in the 2020 Atlantic storm season, has forced authorities to arrange shelters and evacuation for people while also maintaining physical distancing protocols and other pandemic restrictions. By nightfall on Saturday, Hanna's blistering winds were ripping up the Texas coast near Corpus Christi. A storm surge was expected to hit a 40-82-kilometer stretch, a shoreline from the town of Sargent in the north to Port Mansfield in the south, the National Hurricane Center said. There were no immediate report of any deaths in either side of the border. More than 150,000 customers lost power on Sunday throughout the South Texas, including Corpus Christi, Harlingen, and Brownsville, utility officials said. Hanna came nearly 3 years after Hurricane Harvey blew ashore northeast of Corpus Christi. Hanna was not expected to be as destructive as Harvey, which killed 68 people and caused an estimated of $125 billion in damage in Texas. In the Pacific Ocean, meanwhile, Hurricane Douglas closed to an Hawaii over the weekend. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Dolakia. For more weather updates like this, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.